from, in fact, the laboratory, one of my colleagues who's a microbiologist said, look, the surgeons have just called from the neurosurgery theatre and they've removed this live wriggling 8 centimetre worm from a patient's brain. So we'll have to go and see them and work out what it is and how to treat them. And then the next 24 hours was a flurry of activity as we tried to work out, okay, what kind of worm is this? For me, who's sort of one level removed or 1 degree of separation removed from the patient, and for people hearing the story who are many degrees separated from this patient, they feel sort of very queasy and uncomfortable thinking about it. So you can imagine how it would have been for her. And a very courageous and patient who went through this long diagnostic and therapeutic process. And once the worm was discovered and we treated her, she left hospital and she went back to the community, went back to her home, and she's been there ever since. But obviously, because this was an unusual case at so many levels, we're keeping a close eye on her and keeping in touch. Obviously, we were surprised. We never necessarily thought we'd be the ones to find a new infection in the world, but we certainly knew that this sort of thing can happen as human beings and animal habitats grow closer together.